Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to place a trade right here on Mitrade. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because first of all we search for a symbol where we want to trade on. So let's do, for example, Solana. Then we click right here on Solana to US dollars. And then from here, what we're going to do is select right here sell or buy. Now let's do, for example, a buy, a long position. Then we click here on market, and then right here you can select for how many lots you want to buy. You see right here your margin required, and if you want to do, let's say 5% of my balance, you can throw this bar to 5%, and then you have right here the amount of lots that will be 5%. Then right now, if you go further, you can put a take profit stop loss or a trailing stop loss if you want to do that. But if you want to place a trade, you can simply click right here on buy. And then right now, if you can see right here, we just bought a Solana position with all the information that we need. And then from here, if you want to close it, click on close. But you clicked on this video because you want to know how to place a trade. And this is how you can place a trade. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.